when sensors and electronics are printable, everything could basically become interactive. So we made these rub-on stickers that could be rubbed onto a wall and be used as an input system for our interface. We wanted to take this a little bit further, so we developed this laser cut smoke alarm idea, where on a roll-to-roll printing, an integrated circuitry would be applied to a surface, which would be laser cut, and then you could just put it up on the wall, kind of aiming at this idea of dematerialization through printed electronics. And this was our final show space. On the shelves, you see the early experiments that we talked about, but on the table, we really tried to create this toolkit for the future designer who would work in this gap between rapid manufacturing and printing electronics. And on the right are final objects, which were supposed to represent what consumer electronics might become in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alex and Hannes. So we have time for one question if anybody has a burning question to ask. No? Okay, sorry.
Is there a big gap between, where we are with 3D printing and then where we are with plastics electronics? Are there a lot of barriers in that gap? You showed this display at the table. Are there many challenges, or what are the key challenges in between the two, do you think?
I guess rapid manufacturing already happens in a way, so there are like small ear pieces that can be 3D printed and also on a broad consumer level. But as we learned, printable electronics, plastic electronics are not quite there yet that they could be applied to this consumer level. But as they are, that could be quite a nice combination.
So it's a technology that needs to reach a point where you could easily integrate it. Are there any other challenges in the middle between connecting the technology with a 3D printer? What do you need in the middle? Is it just a good designer, or?
Yeah, a system around it, I guess, so that you could actually customize possibly functions to form and so on. Okay. I'm not sure if that answers the question.
So me as a consumer, I would need to interact with you as a designer in some way in order to specify what I want my end product to be like.
Possibly. Our system was more designed in this way that there would be an open database that people could access to find what kind of object they want and then possibly customize it in this local store.
Okay, online.
Or in this local store. That is.